Good morning, Bios Cosmos Church. Today we're going to be taking a tour of our website. Of course, we all know that all Biocean departments are open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Our mission and our goal here at Bios is bringing the world together under God. This website was created in early 2016, around the month of February. It started out originally with home, administration ministry, youth ministry, adult, and animal ministry. The emergency department was later added in 2017 in the month of October. The services page did exist but was blank at the time. This morning, you'll see it all across the entire BIOS website. The website later underwent a major renovation in 2018, adding all the pages we see here today. The YouTube Center was added in early 2017 also. We are now getting ready to put the website under a modernization project. So this includes adding a glass website where the pictures stay put but the letters still move across it. It can also be called a floating website. This is our money counter, which this displays the amount of money raised towards a new church and our goal. This is prayed over every day. This is the pastoral concerns of the announcement. This is our official subscriber count. It is updated every 2 days. These are community announcements, which are announcements that affect the entire congregation. Our birthday and anniversaries are updated upon request. Your name will normally be below the Bios Cosmos Church in this space. The space will not show on the public view website, but it will show on the website that can be edited, which is a staff access. Kind of like the back room of a store. These are tithe and offering news. This shows what your money will be used for in the church. These are educational opportunities. So what can you learn from us and what classes are available? Job opportunities if you want to be hired by the church. These are last week's sermons. The week's sermon, you can watch the video here. We don't like it. And if you wish, you can add an announcement. Announcements aren't this box is checked weekly. If you want your announcement to be displayed, you'll either have to call the church any day after Wednesday or just add it in there prior to Wednesday. Of course, administration is closed at 9 p.m. every day, except for Sundays where we do close at 3. But the rest of the church is open 24/7. This is our shift breakdown. Not everybody's required to work shifts, however. You can work as little as 30 minutes to an hour a week. This is our live stream timetable. This tells you when and what time the class will roll. The people get confused with this a lot. The red tide is the actual time for the class. And the white tide is the tide, and it has to stick within these hours. During emergencies such as hurricanes, wind, whatever, the church will open at 6:30 a.m. and close at 6 p.m. But has to stay within. These are inaccurate at the time updates. Will be updated during renovation. This is our mission and our vision, and this is a small photo album of what the church used to look like when it was first opened. This is an X-ray that has been taken of the church property. It accurately maps out where all the stones are on the church property, the pulpit, and all church attractions. This is our Easter service in 2016. As you see, the pulpit has not been yet changed. And these are pictures from our Hurricane Irma, which we had also in 2017. This is the old bridge. And this is the old Corporal Prayer Garden from 2016. As you see, it was later abandoned. And then this is the new one, which it has been changed, but it's still here today. This is the deer that made the news in 2015 when the church first started. This is our old pre-youth room from when it was first created. As you can see, that's Pastor Candy giving communion back in 2017. This is our youth room from when it was first created in the year 2017 in January. Our classroom, which is brand new, just recent last year November. And then this is fan art created by Wooly Will himself of depicting this classroom photo. This is our former staff member, Prince Sinclair, current staff member Roosevelt Sanders, former staff member Roger Durden. Then he was our first deacon, and former youth department coordinator Jalen. Anastasia, our former pre-youth department coordinator. This is me and First Lady Sinclair, Pastor Sinclair, First Lady Sinclair, running the church anniversary service. This was our second anniversary. That is our former logo. And this is Pastor Sinclair preparing to go and enter into service. This is our 2016 orientation video. We'll get back to these later. This service list does need to be updated, but as you can see, the glass website gives us full roll. This is our Vatican City. You can keep up with the news by watching the news, Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram. These are our three pledges in Bible Kósmos Church. Now, once you reach here, we'll get back to that. You will get contact information for the church. That includes phone numbers, the church name and location, all email addresses used for the church. This will be updated. Once you reach the bottom of a page, if you wish to go back to the top, you can hit the back to top button or the next button. Let's take a quick tour of our information page. We will go to the sitemap, which does give you an overlay of all the pages on the website. There used to only be 4 when we first started. Now there's a whopping 26. All this does give you information about what our Department of Education does. But if you wish to access any of the OLCs, which mean online churches, scroll to the bottom. These are just informational pages on the classes, but they are updated weekly. All of these are your classes that you will see running every day. In the children's classes, you will be able to go to the arcade. You must have Flash Player enabled to play games in the arcade. This is our arcade, and there are as many as 100 games here to choose from. As you see, it's a very long page. And I would like to end this video in the Showtime section. The Showtime section will provide a live calendar, so if there are any updates, we will update it almost weekly. and your most recent calendar. We will talk more about the church calendar in our next video, but this is our most recent calendar. Shows all holidays, gold means service, and red means non-service. So if that being said, thank you for watching this video. Please drop a like and subscribe, and have a great day, and may God bless you.